Hello friends, welcome to Crash Course. How to become an inventor or a researcher. At the end of every module there are activities which takes you towards your goal. So please attend activity and complete exercises. Module 1 Brainstorming. Where and how I should find ideas for my research work. There are two places in the world which always makes the man think of other options. One is comfort, which always forces you towards achieving luxury. Another one is uncomfort that pushes you towards the comfort. These two places would provide you the idea for your research. Come on, let's see. Whenever we see our dear ones in the uneasy state, we always feel like helping them, but we won't do anything. Our hopeless condition is not because we don't have any knowledge, but don't know how to utilize our brain power to accomplish something. Here I will convey a story. In one small village, there was a boy called Hari. Hari was a 9-year-old boy with a lean body. One day, Hari went to farm along with his uncle. Hari's uncle, while peeping into the well, accidentally falls into the well. Holding the rope hanging from the top of the well, Hari's uncle starts yelling for the help. No one was there except Hari. Hari just peeped into the well and saw his uncle crying. He just thought nothing but starts pulling the rope upwards. After a lot of effort, Hari completely pulls his uncle out of well. This story spreads in the whole village. People ask Hari's father about the accident. Including Hari's parents, nobody is ready to accept the truth that Hari has rescued his uncle. But a wise man in the village who understands man's inner potential believes Hari's deed, appreciates and asks him about how Hari has helped his uncle. Hari says, I don't know, but my uncle's cry made me to do so. In reality, everybody is Hari-like persons only. The only difference is we try to find other people to help our problems. We never try to realize that we can also do it. So let us start thinking like Hari. Try to focus on problem, not on our strength. Problem is trigger. Exercise. List out 10 best activities where people face problems while performing them. Example 1. I have seen my uncle struggling to peel jackfruit in my village. If I could design or invent a tool that can help him to open jackfruit easily without hurting his hand. Example 2. A motor-oriented tool that can brush cups and collars just like my mom. Example 3. An automatic instrument that can water my plants when I am out of home. Example 4. A programmed machine that works on active sensors which opens the bike key only when driving license holder puts his thumb on the instrument. Wouldn't it be great if, in this world, the only change is constant? Wherever you see comforts, try to improve it further. Not necessary that you should find uncomfort there, because every comfort has emerged out of some initial uncomfort only. For example, when people in this world were enjoying fans for getting cool air, Willie's Carrier moved a step ahead to provide further comforts that are air conditioners. So don't hesitate to challenge the present situation of any system. Try to reimagine everything. For this work, we will try to imagine some situations which can force us to invent or research something. Exercise. List out 10 best things which do not exist now but can influence the world in future. Use following incomplete statement for your work. Examples. Example 1. Wouldn't it be great if we would get clothes which need not be washed at all? Example 2. Wouldn't it be great if we could get a paste, soap or other solutions in Tetra paper bags? Example 3. Wouldn't it be great if we could get a wooden toothbrush and combs? Wouldn't it be great if fill in the blank dash 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 dash. So friends, I guess you have enjoyed this module 1. Please complete the exercise. See you in the module 2. Thank you.